practice Kali Linux but don't have enough computational resources on your computer? Don't worry, I will show you how to create your very own Kali Linux environment in AWS completely free of charge in 4 steps. So let's get started. First step is creating an account in AWS. Go to aws.amazon.com, sign up for AWS free tiers. It's free for 12 months and you can try different services. You can push the complete sign up or create a free account button. Second step is log into AWS Management Console. Go to aws.amazon.com, sign into your account, click on 3 lines in top left, click on all services to see all available services. Third step is adding your SSH key into key pair. Click on EC2. Under Network and Security, click on key pair. You can import your SSH public key or create key pair. You need it for connecting to your machine later. Finally, fourth step is launching Kali Linux virtual machine. Click on Launch Instance to begin the process. Add name. Under Amazon Machine Image, search for Kali Linux. Click on AWS Marketplace MIIs that includes trusted third-party images. Select Kali Linux by Kali and click Continue. Select instance type. Ensure you are selecting the one marked as free tier eligible. Select your key pair and leave the network setting as default. Create security group and allow SSH traffic. By default, it is from anywhere, but you can choose custom or my IP, which will allow SSH only from the defined IP address. Now configure storage to 20 GB. The suggested storage is enough if you don't want all Kali Linux tools to be installed later. Free tier is eligible up to 30 GB general storage. Now click on Launch Instance. It takes few minutes to initiate your instance. Great! You have your free Kali Linux instance in AWS Cloud. Let's connect to it using SSH. In terminal, SSH Kali at copy public IP address of your instance, paste it in terminal, enter. Voila! We are now logged into our Kali Linux instance running in the AWS Cloud. Let's check installed tools. Nmap -- version. It's not installed. Let's update and install Kali-Linux-headless to install all default tools. It takes few minutes to be completed. Let's test again some tools status. Nmap and Hydra are installed. Congratulations! You have a fully functional Kali Linux environment ready for all your cybersecurity adventures. I hope it opens up exciting possibilities for your cybersecurity and ethical hacking journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Until next time, stay secure, stay protected.